Good evening everyone. Today I will show you the tool that I have prepared in ArcGIS. In ArcGIS, as you all know, you can prepare tools and menus. Now, in the last video of mine, I have showed you how to create a tool. Now I have prepared a menu where I have kept few of my tools. Okay, let me show you. This is the tool that I have prepared in ArcGIS using Python scripting language. And to add that tool in my software, just go to customize, and from there you have to just search the tool name. As the tool name I have given, that is FSI, just drag that tool and drop it anywhere where you want. I have kept that beside the help tool. That's all. And now what I can do, I have kept three main tools in that menu. The first menu that I have already shown to you is the change detection. I have prepared one video regarding how using this tool I can detect changes in an image. The next tool that this time I have prepared, how I can prepare a base map using this tool. There are few components that we have to give, and final output will be like this. The base map of Bihar is visible here. You can find that from this video. And this is the workspace that we have to provide. Workspace is the place where we will keep our output files. Okay, so just browse it and give it an exact location where you want to save that file. In my case, I have selected this template.mxt, which is inside inventory folder. Don't go inside that folder, you have to just select the folder and click add. That's it. Workspace will be saved and all my documents will be saved in template_mxt folder. In my case, I have selected this folder. In your case, you can select any of the folder where you want to keep the output file. Then mxt template means I have prepared a template. Based on that, I will prepare the map. The thing is that you have to first open the shape file, means state file of which you want to base map, so that you can identify the mxt or mxt template is of portrait or landscape. As the shape of Odisha fits in landscape, so we will select a landscape template. So in my template mxt, I have already kept a base map template, which is it's a landscape. So I have selected that one. Then the state name, of which state I want to prepare the base map. In my case, if I want to prepare a base map of Odisha or West Bengal, just select that exact state name, or you can write also. This is the next option, that is the shape file of which I want to make. I want to superimpose in my base map. So I have selected Odisha in this case. Now what's the symbology? I want to apply the symbology. In our case, there is some symbologies. These are previously defined, and this is the stratum field. Under that I have kept block, linear, scatter type of symbology over there. So just select the symbology layer. It is LYR file format. Just we have to select that one and add that. So the symbology will be copied there. And this is the label field, means all the points that will be added in my base map. I want to label that. To label that, you must give the field name. Whatever the field that you want to label, just give that field name. If you want to give ID or serial number, just write that one. And that is not case sensitive or something, you can write in any format. Okay. If you want to label ID, then write ID, or if you label serial number, you can do that. That's up to you. In my case, I will use serial number. Okay. Before that, you have to just verify from shapefile that whether this is present inside the shapefile or not. And finally run that tool and you will get this type of message. And as I just kept all files in this directory, so let me copy this path so that after completing this tool I can browse to that location and open that file. It's taking a bit time, but as you all know, preparing a base map requires lots of time. I have copied the output location and I will paste it now in the browser window. Just pasted here, and I found that the files that I have prepared, odisha.pf, pdf and odisha.mxt. mxt can be opened in ArcGIS, and that can be you can understand by that all the layouts elements will be visible there. The thing is that the PDF file here I have shown, and whatever the layout label that I have selected, that items has been displayed. The state name, as I have provided Odisha and it is been selected by through programming, the name has been modified. These are the elements that has been copied from the layer file. Block, linear, forest inventory, these are the stratum information that have been copied from that file. And that's all. Thank you for watching.